This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the speed of the mouse cursor in the Bodhi Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my laptop here. I am on the Bodhi Linux operating system now. To change the speed of your mouse cursor in Bodhi Linux, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up the settings panel. You can left click on any open area of your desktop to open up the main menu. I'm going to left click. Then you want to go up to where it says settings, and then you go straight off to the right to where it says settings panel. Click on settings panel. If you need to, you can go up to the top of this dialog box and click the up arrow to expand the screen to full screen. These tabs across the top up here, you want to click on the Input tab, Input. Then you want to go down to where it says Mouse and Touchpad. Click on Mouse and Touchpad. Then on these tabs across the top up here, you want to click on the Mouse tab, Mouse. And right here, under where it says Acceleration, you can increase it or decrease it. Say I wanted to make it a little slower, I'm going to move it off to the left a little bit. You move it to the left, it slows it down. You move it to the right, it speeds it up. I'm going to move it over to the left a little to slow it down. Now for this setting to take effect, you need to go down to the bottom and you need to click on Apply. Then you can click on Close. I'm going to go ahead and close the main settings dialog box now. That is how to increase or decrease the speed of your mouse cursor in the Bodhi Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.